Hello everyone, welcome to Unplug 404. Today's video is going to be short because we will be talking about difference option which comes under quick table calculation in Tableau. So this option is right here in quick table calculation, difference. So we'll be talking about difference option in this video. So therefore this video is going to be short. So let's begin. So before we deep dive into how to apply this difference option, it's important to understand what this different option does to our dataset, or what results it replicates. Now, I have already applied this difference option in my Sample Superstore dataset, and let's say we are talking about 4 years in our dataset, in our this visualization. So I've taken quantities in these 4 years. Obviously, there would be some quantity in 2016. Let's say it's 10, and in 2017, let's say it's 20. In 2018, let's say it's 30, and in 2019, let's say for instance it's 40. Now, what difference does? It calculates the difference of 2 years. Let's say in 2017, the difference is 20 minus 10. The difference of these two, obviously, of these 2 years, the current year and the previous year. So for 2016, obviously there would be no difference. So there would be no difference. That's why obviously this position here is blank. In 2017, it would be 20 minus 10. So, yep, the difference is 10. Let's say it's 38 here. And if I want to calculate the difference by 2018, now the difference between these two would be calculated, which is obviously 18. And if I calculate the difference between these two again, so by the end of 2019, the difference is 2. So that's how you will get the difference values throughout the difference option in Tableau. Now let's see how to apply this difference option in your dataset. So I'll go with the same example. Let's say I select order date and put it in rows or maybe columns. And in I'll just go for quantity. Or let's talk about profits. Here it is, and let's change it to text tables so that we have the data visible in front of us. Now, I want to see the difference that, how much difference was there in 2006 between 2016 and 17 and 17 and 18 and 18 and 19. So I need to go to some profit, which is I need to choose a measure field. So obviously profit is a measure field. So I need to go to the drop down menu, go to quick table calculation and difference. Now here it is. Now it shows that from 2016 to 2017, the profit rise was 12,000, and from 17 to 18 it was 20,000, and from 18 to 19 it's 11,000. So an important point to notice here, it is not like cumulative values. As you can see, it did dip after 2018. So it's not like that it keeps on adding. It's just the difference of the 2 years, between 2 years or two periods. So that's how you use difference option in Tableau. If you have any doubts, any queries, or any suggestions for me, do leave them in the comment section down below. And that's it from my side. Take care and have a good day ahead. Thank you.